Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys we are going to be carrying on with the camper van build. So we are doing issue 19 of Build the Samba Camper, and it sounds like a broken record this, but there's not much to do really today. We're just clipping in one of the seats, that's it. I can't say anymore. YouTube encourages shorts on this build, on to as a creator. And I think this camper van is getting very, very close to a 60-second short. But it's going to be nice at the end of it. And I know we're going to have a superb model at the end of it anyway. So, let's get started on this one today. So, with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, so here are the parts for issue 19. And we're absolutely doing nothing with them. So, there we go. But what we do need to bring over is the front drive floor pan, and then we've got the seat here that we originally made. And what we're going to do is we're going to try and clip this into there, and then down like that. Okay, it wants us to check the movement of this. That's pretty good. And then we can actually use this now, as we can actually put this seat forward on the build. So that's what its function is today, and then that is it. So there's not much to do really. Like I said, stage 19 parts, store them away for a later date. Don't know when we're going to be using them. So yeah, that's it. We're just clipped in that seat. But it is nice that I can put something on show now behind me of this build, which I am obviously showing this behind me, where the Titanic bits and pieces are built. So yeah, that's issue 19 complete. Well guys, I hope that was as riveting for you as it was for me. Oh dear, this camper van. It's going to be a superb model when it's finished, but it isn't half trying at times when you're only clipping in a seat. Yeah, and you do nothing with the parts that you get supplied in that issue. Okay. Anyway, if you like this video, please can you give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell. You'll be notified of any future videos. But as for always guys, stay safe and bye for now. This is going to be a very short editing time. Bye.